Welcome back to the channel, Survival with Your Kids, Part 2.
All the waters used to be.
Uh-huh. Condor King Cookery. Got it? Yep.
Whoa, that looks like stairs. I wish I could walk those stairs.
That's yours. Meals ready to vomit.
Do you have one for yourself?
No, we're gonna share it.
Oh.
We're gonna share it.
No, ready to earth
Individual.
individual.
So you take your knife, open this up. Okay. A whole bunch of stuff in there. Why don't you open that up? Take a look at what you got.
Okay, I get you what we got.
So this is the meal. All right.
Oh, because there's two. There's two food.
Well, there's not two meals. Look, read. Black beans,
Oh.
And then this is the shredded beef and barbecue sauce.
Ooh.
You got buggies?
Yes, that's why I said.
Raisins.
What's this?
Barbecue sauce.
I don't like raisins.
Okay. Tortilla. That's good.
What's tortilla?
It's flatbread. Hold on to that. We need that.
Oh yeah, that's for us
And then
to
this
eat.
is the heater. So this is
heater?
what we need. Yeah, this is how you heat the MRE. Okay. So it works is you open this. Right. So give me your water bottle. Right.
But wait, don't you have to heat up all the stuff or just the barbecue?
Just unless you want beans. You want beans too?
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, I don't want the beans either. It's probably nasty. You gonna fill this up?
I heat.
See where it says do not overfill?
Yeah.
Alright. And you're gonna take this, fold it down. Right? And it has this little pocket. Right. And then you stuff it inside the pocket. So it activates. Like that. Alright?
Can you make a sound? Should I hear something?
And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna let it sit.
Is this hot?
It will be. And you let it sit. So this, you'll
Did
like.
you hear that mean?
This is hot beverage. But we can put tropical fruit juice in there. You want fruit juice?
Yeah.
Oh. You want to put it in your water bottle?
Yeah, I would take fruit juice. I like fruit juice.
It's gonna give you a whole bunch of sugar. It's gonna taste really good.
It does?
Yeah.
Fruit juice, I
So
never
when your
tried.
dad was in the Marine Corps, we used to like look for the specialty stuff and then try to dump the rest of the stuff in the garbage. Hold on. And you mix it up real good.
I know. You should shake it.
Did I get you?
Yeah.
That's good. And make sure that we don't lose the MRE stuff.
So
I like it.
MRE is just barbecue sauce.
No, it's meals ready to eat. So there's a little packet in there.
Can you open this?
Yeah. And then of course I got jalapenos cheese. Delicious.
Really?
It's the best.
Really?
Yep, it's the best. Let's see how this is doing. Oh, so next to my boy.
Oh, but you have to empty them out.
That's just juice. This is what we used to do in the field too. We used to eat
those?
Yeah, these are called we used to call them hot dogs of death.
Why?
Because they're like beanie weenies or beanie weenies. We call them beanie weenies. Do you have the napkin? Where's the napkin? It's under here?
Yeah.
Careful. This is dirty. Don't put that on anything. It's dirty. Like the beanie weenies? Too slow, bub.
Because they're little bologna hot dogs.
They are. Yeah?
Ketchup makes them a lot more better.
More better? Alright guys, thank you very much. I wanted you to like, subscribe, share. If you have any comments, please add them down below. Also check out the links in the description box. I have links to my other channels. Become a Patreon member. Also go to threeriverblades.com or Three River Kydex if you're looking for Kydex products. And we will see you on the trail.